Hi guys, you know that we have learned JavaScript in 7 days. So this is a bonus day, day 8, in which I will provide some extra knowledge about JavaScript that will be helpful for you. It is very beneficial for you if you have end that course in the 7 days. Just you have to make practice with your hand and solve different problems related to JavaScript. If you want to learn more about JavaScript, then I have another course in which you will learn complete JavaScript starting to end. So this is a bonus day in which I will discuss with you different techniques related to debugging, what is basically debugging, and different techniques I will share with you how you can debug a JavaScript code that is very important to debug. So what is debugging? In this day 8, I will discuss with you what is debugging basically, how to fix source code issue, and 2 methods to fix error in JavaScript. So these are different topics I will discuss with you in this day 8. So this is outline for this day 8, and don't miss this lecture. These are the bonus for you, and just attempt this lectures to get knowledge. Anyhow, if you face any issue, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.